Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 Active. So this car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.